God has become so evil.
From what we have seen, your friend's case is a planned assassination.
Honestly, I don't know what marriages are turning into.
What is the problem?
Before it was men. Now, women also have egos they're trying to protect.
You know, people like her actually make me remember what people say. That church is indeed a big business.
Why am I living under this illusion that you see me as an anti-God?
I honestly didn't realize the other side was this sweet. No wonder men cheat.
These pastors and their wives are just business people who have absolutely nothing to do with holiness of life.
Prostitution is the oldest profession in the world. You can check your history. I mean, it started in the church.
I am trying so hard to understand when all this started.
How can a dead body be dumped on the street without anyone seeing the culprits?
Life did not just evaporate from Vincent. According to the DPO, he was cut in the head and stabbed in the stomach.
I believe you're old enough to know that what happens behind closed doors stays behind closed doors. Do not tell anyone what you've seen here today.
Any businessman in Nigeria who must survive must allow the spirit of stubbornness to possess him. If not, people will continue to take it for granted and they will squander his money.
I called you before it happened. Why have you not done anything?
For all those who rise up against the children of God will never know peace.
Those people that executed the plans left no clue.
Why will anybody murder such a promising young man, very hard-working young man?
Now that you've tasted the other side of life, you now know that a woman's body is a money-making machine.
That explains why we have a lot of failed marriages this day.
I don't understand why you people are not seeing this.
You see your ungodly fraternity with that ungodly woman will destroy you.